Hi and welcome to Mataba TV. Following a cash in transit robbery in Katlehong, Gauteng, South Africa on Tuesday morning, residents flocked to the scene to loot cash scattered by heavily armed criminals who had detonated explosives on a cash van. Here is the video.
Wala mama lumahaw.
Bazolimala bani? Kiyela tsamoyeng.
Right, that's it for now. If our content interests you, please click on the subscription button and the bell close to it to get notified whenever we upload a new story. We love you. We will see you on our next story. I am Makabongwe Mataba. Goodbye.